Hey guys, Tim with DVRT. So this video is about the Seats Incorporated legacy seat. The seat's about 2 years old. I'm going down the road and the armrest fell out. So you can see right there, big post and then a little screw hole there, which surprisingly, let's go back in the shop here. Surprisingly, they put a Phillips head, I think it's like a 7/16 inch Phillips head screw in where that post sits right there. That's like a 7/16, and on this side in here, it's Allen head. Well, you can't get to it with the, or not Allen head, Phillips screwdriver. You can't get in there. So you got to pull that hex head bolt out. And I've got metric here. It's not metric. So what I'm using is a star wrench, and I think this one is, looks like a T50 star wrench. So let me I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna take that out, and this whole assembly should slide out. And then I got this from Seatco, and I'll try and figure out a way to put this in the video or a link to it, or just let you know that you can get this from Seats Incorporated. And what you want is the install instructions for the under armrest adjustment type seat rest. So this goes this way, like this. So I'm going to pause the video here and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, there it is pulled out. So now I'm going to take this piece here and put it back in the seat, just this unit. And like I say, that's a Phillips head screw. But of course, before I put it back in there, I'm going to put some Loctite on there. So let me do that, and I will be right back. Alright, got that in, put a lot of Loctite on there. So there's the hole that's going to go back in. But first we need to put the arm back on there. Now I have to figure out exactly how I'm going to do that, but let me figure it out. I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the seat all the way forward. I've got the backrest tilted all the way forward so I could get access to put that Phillips head screw in. And I've got the arm bent all the way backwards towards the sleeper so I can see that hole where that hex head bolt goes in. And I had to push it in pretty hard this way towards the seat back. Alright, so pointing it back didn't work, so I'm going to have to flip it all the way the other direction, because I lifted it up and it stopped here. So now I got to figure out what the orientation is, the armrest, before I put that bolt back in. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so in order to get that Allen head in, I had it pointed back towards the sleeper. You need to have it just about in this orientation until you can look up underneath here and see that hole that Allen head goes in. Screw it in and you should be good to go. I haven't tested it yet, but I'm pretty sure that's the way it goes. So let me pause again, and I'll see if I've got the right adjustment on the armrest. I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's it. All I got to do is zip up the back there, the upholstery, and I've got my armrest reinstalled, and it works like it's supposed to. So bring it down. So there you go. That's how you do a legacy seat from Seatco. This just happens to be in a Peterbilt, but I picked this seat up at Rush Peterbilt. So if your arm falls off, it really sucks, you know, because you're used to having that armrest there. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Tim with DBRT. What's DBRT stand for? Duh, big red truck. Thanks for watching, guys.